and welcome back to Talent Search Cymru. We have reached episode 4 of our contestants' journeys to see who will become the next TSC representative.
Never lay down, never give up. I am a fighter. I'm a fighter. I'm a survivor. Even if I fall, I'll be up again, 'cause I'm a fighter. I am a fighter. I'm a survivor.
Give it up for Chelsea!
I've been working with my face turned to the sun. Weight on my shoulders, a bullet in my gut. Oh, I got eyes in the back of my head, just in case I have to run. I do what I can, what I can, what I can for my people. While the crowds roll back and the stars fill the night, that's when I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, you hear freedom calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on. And I know what's around the bend might be hard to take, but I'm alone, and I just might fall. But Lord knows I tried. The stars fill up the sky. Stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, can you hear freedom calling me to answer? Gonna keep on keeping on. I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, do you hear freedom calling me to answer? Gonna keep on keeping on. I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, do you hear freedom calling me for answers? Keep on keeping on. I can feel it in my bones. I go to a better place for you. I go to a better place for you.
Chelsea, I'm so proud of you. I'm always so proud of you. But I really think you stepped up your game this week. Not only were you first, but up-tempo's not really your thing. And I'm so glad we just threw you in the deep end and you took on that challenge. You've done it so well. I loved that you were moving around. You were really getting the crowd involved. When you were saying like stand up, I wanted to stand up. It was a flawless performance, and that's all I can say. I stood up for a reason, and genuinely, I can't find a fault in that. You've done really well. Congratulations.
Wow, Chelsea, honestly, a lot of people, when it comes to up-tempo week, they tend to fumble because they panic and they get really nervous. But I can honestly say that you went up there and you absolutely smashed up-tempo week. There was not a fault anywhere in that performance. I forgot to write notes down because I was so captivated by the performance, and I thought halfway through, oh, hold on, I'm supposed to be judging this. Yeah, I thought I was watching some like a proper concert. Honestly, your voice is second to none. It is absolutely spectacular, your vocals. Your stage presence this week was amazing. That, to me, was probably your best, no, not probably, it was your best performance this far. And that's good enough to be a finale song for me. That really is good enough to be a finale song. It's so polished. You got high energy moving about the stage. You perform, like I said last week, difference between singing and performing, and you performed that song so well. Really well done, honestly now.
Wow, well done, Chelsea. What a way to open up the show tonight, and a huge step up from last week. Like I advised you last week, to go away, take up some advice, and it's like you've listened, because in my opinion, you've gone from that beautiful level that you was at, and you've elevated yourself so much. I loved how clever you was with the song choice, to be honest, because not many like people who sing a lot of slower songs could find a really punchy, really good, feel-good song to sing. And I feel right now is the time to say this to you, and I feel that you need to hear it. And I feel that you are a superstar. You are amazing, and you've blown my mind tonight. And I'm so proud of you learning that song and just getting into it. And I couldn't find no faults with it. So well done, babe. You absolutely smashed it.
Next up, Sienna.
Who's that sexy thing I see over there? That's me, standing in the mirror. What's that icy thing hanging around my neck? Let's go, show me some respect. Oh, I thank God every day that I woke up feeling this way, and I can't help loving myself, and I don't need nobody else. Nuh-uh. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I walk in like a timepiece. I go straight to the IP. Never pay for my drinks. Entourage behind me like some movie time. So bless me, baby, even if they can't do it like I do. I thank God every day that I woke up feeling this way, and I can't help loving myself, and I don't need nobody else. Nuh-uh. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. Turn the bass up. Turn the bass up. Turn the bass up. Let's go. I thank God every day that I woke up feeling this way, and I can't I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too.
Sienna, well done. I didn't know you could be that sassy. I'm so proud of you. I didn't expect that first note. You literally made me jump out my seat, but well done. I actually like this song because I think we actually seen more of your vocal range than we have seen before. It pushed you to go to those higher notes and sing with more power. So I really like that. I think, again, you could see you were nervous and you know, that will come in time. With practice, you'll just get more and more comfortable. But you gave it a really good go. You danced, and towards the end, you looked like you were enjoying yourself. So well done. It was a really good performance from Tempo Week.
Sienna, honestly, me, myself, I didn't really see any nerves there. Obviously, I saw nerves before you performed, but during the actual performance itself, I thought you looked great. You looked confident, there was high energy there, you were moving about stage, having a little bit of dance, and like she said, very, very sassy. I did like the song, however, I just thought it was a little bit repetitive. It's very much the same kind of all the way through, but I did enjoy the way you performed the song. You did perform it very well for what it was, and it was a good choice for Up-Tempo Week, so I want to commend you on that. And honestly, like I said, you just look confident, your vocals were great, and it was a really good performance. Well done.
Oh, well done, Sienna. You did handle yourself really well during that song. You showed a lot of sass, as the guys have just said. You controlled yourself really well. I agree with Ryan. It is a rather repetitive song, which, you know, is a song that couldn't be helped. I do wish that you did look outside the box a bit more when coming to song choices this week, because I know when you put your mind to something, you've got a really unique and quite quirky voice, and that's really distinctive. And I felt that this song didn't do that justice tonight. But Up-Tempo Week for me is all about performing and getting out your comfort zone. And I felt that you did that 100%. So well done, babe.
Give it up for Talisha.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Higher than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world that's on fire, filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's burning it down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Looks like a girl, but she's a flame. When she looks at you, you better look the other way. Remember her name. She's on top of the world, hottest of the hottest girls. Say, oh, she's got her head in the clouds and she's not coming down. Oh, she's got her feet on the ground and she's burning it down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
difficult for you to do. I know you don't like moving around this stage, but you did it, and you done it so well. So congratulations first on doing that, because that takes some guts, and that was a very brave thing to do. I really felt like you fought for your place there tonight. I liked your song. It's a big song, and to be honest, I felt a little bit like it was pushing your range just slightly. There were parts of the song where I felt that it didn't sit comfortably in your range. I don't know if you felt like you were pushing, really, really pushing. So maybe if it was brought down a little bit, it would have been slightly better vocally. But like the judges have said tonight, this is about up tempo. This is about pushing you out of your comfort zone, getting you to move and getting you to perform. And that was definitely your best performance that we've seen. So you should be really proud of yourself for that. Well done.
Alicia, a massive well done to you for your performance today. Honestly, I really, really enjoyed it. Yeah, I agree with pretty much everything Lily has said. You were very sassy up on the stage. You did show good movement. You got out of your comfort zone. You moved about the stage, and you gave a little bit more of the performance aspect of it, which, like Lily said, we know you're not a massive fan of moving about, but that's completely fine. It's a good thing to bring you out of your comfort zone to get you used to doing things like that, which is really good, and you did it very well. I do agree with Lily in the sense of I feel that the song may have pushed you a little too much, as one or two of the really, really powerful notes I felt was a little bit shouty. It could have done with coming down one or two, but honestly, you did it so well, you performed so well, and like I think Kaylee said to me that you were doing it in the studio and you were a little bit nervous and things like that, but you went up there and you smashed it. Honestly, it was a really, really good performance. It was a really good performance. You should be proud.
Oh, well done, Talisha. You did exactly what I asked you to do, and that was just to move around, have a bit of fun with it, and really enjoy yourself. I did push you this week, because I did rehearsals with you this week, and I really did push you, just to get you out of that comfort zone. I think we fail to realise sometimes that this is a girl on our first filming day. She'd run to the stage, run, head down. She's like, I'm coming like a bull. And now she's up there, she's smiling, she's laughing at me. She walked across the stage, and she's like, this girl is on fire. And I'm like, come on, give it to me. You've done me very proud this week. And considering, realistically, you had this song late on a Thursday night, and you've gone on, learnt it, changed the bits in it that I told you to change to make it sound vocally better. And I just thought you smashed up tempo week because you really just pushed yourself out of that comfort zone. And I really hope now that regardless to anything tonight, you feel a lot more comfortable in performing in front of everyone. So I am so proud of you, babe. Well done.
Round of applause for Donna.
I was born in a thunderstorm. I grew up overnight. I played alone and I played on my own. I survived. I wanted everything I never had, like the lovers in the light. I owned envy and I hated that, but I survived. I got one way to a place where all the demons go. When the wind don't change and nothing in the crowd can ever go. Oh, hope just lies and you go to die in your pillow. I survived. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. every single mistake that you could have ever possibly made. I took what you gave, but you never noticed that I was. I knew what I wanted, I went, I got it. Did all the things that you said that you wanted. Told you I'll never be forgotten, all in spite of you. I'm still breathing, I'm still breathing, I'm still breathing, I'm still breathing, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive.
What a performance. I loved the song. It's a massive song, but you are a powerhouse and you've proved that tonight. I loved that you come from the back. I loved the performance. And do you know what I love about you? Your passion and your dedication to the music and to this process just shows in everything that you say. And I love that. The words that you sing, you really mean. And you feel it down there, don't you? You were a little bit behind the track at some parts. And I think you knew that. You picked up on that. But apart from that, it was a brilliant performance. And we chopped this song to pieces 3 days ago. And you've gone off and learned that in literally 3 days. So well done. That was a brilliant performance. You should be really proud of yourself.
Donna, honestly, to learn a song in 3 days is no easy feat. I know I wouldn't be able to do it myself. So the fact you did is a massive, massive well done to you because, like I said, it is not easy. So that is so great to see. And like you said in the song, you'd never be forgotten. After that performance, I don't think you ever will. And I really mean that. It was absolutely amazing. I love the fact, like Lily said, you started at the back. It adds something new, something fresh that we haven't seen before. You brought it into your performance. The only thing I can say is when you did get on stage, I felt you were a bit stagnant in place. I would have loved to have seen you move about a little bit more. But vocally, Donna, what can I say about vocally? There's nothing I can say. You are so powerful, and it was amazing. Well done. It was really good.
What a fantastic song choice for you, Donna. It was amazing to hear your full range within one song. It was great to see your grit and your punch and your fire that you brought in your first audition and you put it into this song, which was absolutely bang on perfection. I kind of disagree with Ryan, to be honest. I was well happy that you was quite stagnant because I can't imagine somebody walking around too much to that song. I know, I just couldn't imagine it. And I felt, as a performance, you come across as edgy as you always have done. You come across with that certain, that word, I'm now gonna, yes, the spice. You brought the spice. And when you looked at me at that one part and you pointed right at me, I was like, go on, girl, go on. But yeah, honest to God, honestly, like Don, you smashed it. You got no worries. I think it was an absolutely banging performance, so well done, babe.
All right, everybody, give a massive round of applause to Jonathan!
Break beats, not here to break hearts. Make peace, not here to make hard. Take a lead, won't take them off path. Running back to the street, but they always drive past. Just have a good day, man, have a laugh. No pain, we ain't here to make scars. Hasn't loved done enough, give up shit when you love. Though it's tough with the gut, but it's ours. Well, it was. It's my life and I'm living it large. Now it's time for me to take charge. Step back from the mess and digress as it was. Before it ends up stuck behind bars. 12 hours, 2 shifts in the shop. 2 people talking shit in the shop. 3 people wanna chit chat, spit in the grass. No point in repeating the past. Let it pass cause it's just going past. Get it past, let it just go past. Cause you only end up doing swoop on you. Keep your ends up high, keep it class. Keep your friends up high, make them laugh. Keep your head up higher than giraffes. Cause the only way I see is that life goes fast. Don't talk about friendly again. Don't talk it over, my friend. Don't talk it over again like you got sent, but you only got sense. Only got sense for the odd sense, but it's nonsense. So I got sense, not to buy sense. Got a license, just whack a buy sense. I've done it twice, so let's have a second silence. Come home late, it seems you barely beat the sun. Tapping my shoulder, thinking you gon' get you some. Smelling like some fragrance that I don't even wear. So if you want some loving, I suggest you go back there where you came from. Day to day with you is always something else. Working my nerve. God knows that I don't deserve what you put me through. And I've been so true to you. For you to come at me with another lame excuse. See, I heard it all before. All of your lies, all of your sweet talk. Maybe this, maybe that, but your lies ain't working now. Look who's hurting now. Damn, I had to shut you down. What goes up must come down, down, down. Up, 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 up. Come up, 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 up. Once upon a time and I heard that I was ugly. Came from a chick whose people trying to stuff. I said my face bomb. Tight rack, stack up shack high. Jury on me, flashlight. I've been lit since last night. Hit 'em with the good, making people act right. Broke boys don't deserve no kissy, I know that's right. Big bag, busting up the Bentley band. Take a man, Balenciaga body back, and all these people stuck. It's big bag, busting up the Bentley band. Take a man, working back, body back, and all you bitches stuff. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Hey, up, then it's stuck. Up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, up.
Jonathan, what a performance from Tempo Week. By far your best performance, can I just say. I love that you took 3 different songs. That's so much effort to do. I thought the rapping in the first song, I'll do it in songs. The first song was so smooth, that was so good. But then I love that you showed us so much more of your vocals. And that shows you've really taken our comments on board from the previous weeks. And you can sing, so I don't know why you say you can't sing. You sang that. And the third song, I mean, I thought the rap in the first part of it was good, but that was so much better. That last rap was insane. And you done it while bouncing around on the floor. So I don't know how you done that, but well done. That was a really good performance. I really enjoyed it.
Jonathan, I am always so excited every time I hear your name called, because I know you will never fail to bring the energy to your performances. Honestly, mate, your rapping is always on point. It is so clear. You can hear every word. Your diction is perfect. Your breath control is mental. To be able to do the rap in the first place, like Lily said, to add the jumping around and dancing to it, obviously that's going to take a lot of breath as well. But to be able to keep on doing what you were doing just adds to the testament of your breath control is mental. Your stage presence and your energy, like I said, that's always second to none. You were always bringing that to your performances. You're such a feel-good performer. Every time I see you up on that stage, it always makes me bounce up and down. I can't stop smiling, and it just makes me feel good inside when I hear you perform. And yeah, like Lily said as well, the 3 different songs, as soon as I heard the first switch up, I thought, yes, I love a switch up from Jonathan. And then I saw the second one, and I was like, oh, what is this? And honestly, that is so hard to do, because it's hard enough to remember one song, but then to remember a second song is harder. But to remember 3, mate, I take my hat off to you. Well done. It was really, really good.
Oh, fantastic, Jonathan. I was so buzzed by that performance. You had fantastic flow. I loved how the flow, like the intensity of the track kind of built in a sense. It was definitely a vibe for me tonight, and I felt that you looked a lot more comfortable. I found when you come down here too, I thought, oh, I hope you don't feel too nervous, but you didn't. It was like a total package tonight for me. I felt that you brought such great suave and like swagger and things like that, and I thought you done a fantastic job. And my favorite part was the last part as well, because I was like, yeah, go on. I was like, in my vibe, let's go. I was like, keep going. You did a fantastic job. And I hope that you start to believe in yourself more and more every time you do something like this, because you were jammed packed with talent. And I think when you're gaining all this advice off other people as well and taking it on board into your performances, you're going to really elevate yourself. So well done, buddy, on another smashing performance.
Put your hands together for Melissa.
You learn my love, you hit the target. You get that rush and then you walk out the door. You get big, small, it's what you wanted. I never noticed. You held my hand into the darkness. I didn't care, it made me just want you more. My God, your love, it seems so harmless. I never noticed. And I hate that you're gone, and I hate that I don't wanna let go. And I hate that you think that I'm weak, 'cause I don't wanna let you know. I'm gonna build castles from the rubble of your love, from the rubble of your love. I'm gonna be more than you ever thought I was, you ever thought I was. Each time you left, there was a hunger. I felt so dead, I couldn't take anymore. Losing your love, it left me stronger. I never noticed. And I hate that you're gone, and I hate that I don't wanna let go. And I hate that you think that I'm weak, 'cause I don't wanna let you know. I'm gonna build castles from the rubble of your love, from the rubble of your love. I'm gonna be more than you ever thought I was, you ever thought I was. Castles from the rubble of your love, from the rubble of your love. I'm gonna be more than you ever thought I was, you ever thought I was. Castles from the rubble of your love, from the rubble of your love. I'm gonna be more than you ever thought I was, you ever thought I was. That I'm gonna be castles from the rubble of your love, from the rubble of your love. I'm gonna be more than you ever thought I was, you ever thought I was. I'm gonna be castles from the rubble of your love, from the rubble of your love. I'm gonna be stronger than you ever thought I was, you ever thought I was.
Wow, Melissa, well done. I can't believe what you just done, to be honest with you. That was by far your best performance, by far your best vocals, and by far you were more confident than I've ever seen you before. You come and stood right in front of us and looked each single one of us in the eye. And I didn't think you were going to do that. Fair play to you. In terms of the vocals, I thought it was a perfect song choice for you. And I really liked at the end. I know it's hard when you're pushing all the way through a song and you're really using your chest voice to then strip it right back at the end and just go into your head voice and your falsetto. That's really difficult to do. And you controlled that very, very well. It was a brilliant performance. You should be so proud of yourself. Well done.
A very, very well done to you, Melissa. This week, by far, was your best performance to date. And I mean that. The song choice was perfect for you, like Lily said. I agree with everything Lily said, pretty much. I'm just repeating what Lily has already told you. The song choice was perfect for you. I loved the way you stepped down from the stage and you used every part of what you had to perform to us. You made contact with all of us. You were doing it to the camera. You were doing it to the audience behind. It was really, really good. Your vocals were so much more polished this week. The power notes in there were so clean. They were so controlled. And honestly, it was really, really good. Just the only thing, smile more. I would love to see you smile more. Show everyone you're enjoying it, because I can see you are enjoying it, but make everyone else know you're enjoying it. That's literally it. That was a really, really good performance. Well done.
Oh my God, Melissa, I'm absolutely so over the moon and so proud of you right now. This is one of the quietest kids in my category. She doesn't say boo-bar to a ghost. And for her to come out on stage tonight, move more than 2 steps, to come down and get in our faces, to then go back up and sing and top the vocal that she did last week, and to do all this, within a week, which is incredible, is mind-blowing. And I am so proud of you. You did exactly what I asked of you for Up-Tempo Week. Did you enjoy yourself? You did, didn't you? You really enjoyed that. I could tell, because, she was getting so into it and she was like, yeah, let's go. And I think I was getting into it just as much as she was. But absolutely smashed it, babe. I am so proud of you. Well done.
Now we have the incredible Caitlin.
He could be a sinner or a gentleman. He could be your preacher when your soul is damned. He could be your lawyer on a witness stand, but he'll never love you like I can. He could be a stranger, he could be second class. He could be a trophy or the one night stand. He could have your humor, but I don't understand, 'cause he'll never love you like I can. Why are you looking down all the wrong roads? Mine is the heart and the soul to the soul. There may be lovers who hold out their hand, but they'll never love you like I can. They'll never love you like I can. A chance encounter of a circumstance. Baby, he's a mentor, keeps your mind in trance. He could be the silence in this mayhem, but then again, I'll never love you like I can. Why are you looking down all the wrong roads? Mine is the heart and the soul to the soul. There may be lovers who hold out their hand, but they'll never love you like I can. They'll never love you like I can. They'll never love you like I can. We both have demons that we can't stand. I love your demons like devils can. If you're still seeking an honest man, then stop deceiving, Lord, please. Why are you looking down on the wrong roads? Mine is the heart and the salt of the soul. There may be lovers who hold out their hand, but I'll never love you like I can. I'll never love you like I can. I'll never love you like I can.
So excited when I heard you in the studio. We were all jumping around when we heard this in the studio. I was nervous this week only because last week you made such a statement and really showed who you are on that stage. And I just didn't want you going backwards. That was my worry this week. But you have not done that. You have outdone yourself once again. And I really do think that was a moment. I think for me so far, everyone has been great tonight, but I think you looked the most naturally comfortable up there. It didn't feel forced. Your confidence was just kind of oozing out to you. And I didn't feel like you were kind of forcing yourself to move at all. So that was a really, really good performance. I really enjoyed. Well done.
Oh, Caitlin, well done. Honestly, that was a really, really good performance. I agree again with Lily in the terms of last week you made such a statement on that stage. You gave such a big performance. We were worried, can you follow up? And you did follow up, and you did it really, really well. Honestly, you could see as soon as the backing track kicked in, you were moving from the get-go. And it just came so naturally. Like she said, it wasn't forced. It didn't, well, at least it didn't look forced, at least if it was. And you were just there. You were moving along to the song. You could see you were enjoying it. You were giving the energy out to the crowd, and they started enjoying it with you. Your vocals were great. The power notes, they were so clean, and they were so controlled. And again, I love the vibrato you have in your voice as well. It's so rich, and honestly, that performance was really, really good. You should be proud of yourself. Well done.
Oh, well done, Caitlin. You absolutely smashed up Tempo Week this week. I love the variety you've brought so far this season as well. I still stand by my comment from last week that you're an underdog, and that you know, you've kind of buzzed under the radar sometimes, and I feel like you're slowly rising out of it, you know, to show that, you know, I'm here. And I would label you as quite versatile as well, because, you know, you've done musical theatre, you've done a ballad, and now you've done like a up-tempo version, like a Sam Smith song, you know, a pop song, yeah, that's it. But, you know, I think you've done a fantastic job this week in up-tempo, and I got nothing to critique about it. I think it's absolutely stunning performance, and I do like your energy that you brought. You was just like, yeah, you know, totally vibing to yourself up there, and you know, you brought us in by looking at us as well. So well done, baby, you've done a fantastic job.
Put your hands together for the powerhouse, Tiana!
All stars, I know what it takes to fool this town. I'll do it till the sun goes down and dark for the night time. Yeah, I know. I tell you what you wanna hear. Leave my sunglasses on till I shed a tear. It's never the right time. Yeah. I put my armor on. I'll show you how strong I am. I put my armor on. I'll show you that I am.
performance. You are so confident, and that just beams out to you when you're on the stage. Your breath control is absolutely insane. And I loved that slide into the high note. That was so smooth. Yeah, give a round of applause. I also loved that you didn't let having to perform the song a little bit more and move around a little bit more hinder on your vocals. You still picked a really powerful song that takes a lot of breath control and controlling your voice in general. And you still took that and worked with it, even though you had to kind of move around. So I love that you didn't focus so much on the up-tempo moving part that you let your vocals slip, because you didn't, and that was an incredible performance. You should be so proud of yourself.
Tiana, honestly, sometimes in Up-Tempo Week, people will pick songs that don't show off much of their voice because they're focusing too much on having that upbeat to it. But you've done so well this week in picking a song that has everything. You've got the performance, you've got the up-tempo, but you've got the power in there as well. And you showed that power off so well. Honestly, you had great eye contact from the get-go. You were looking at the judges, you were looking at the crowd, you were looking at the camera. You like Lily said, you ooze confidence. And honestly, up there, you shined brighter than these lights in my face at the minute. And trust me, they're bright. Okay, and yeah, honestly, your voice is so well controlled. You've got such lovely control up in those real power notes. And like Lily said, the slide into that power note, oh my goodness, it melted me like butter. I sucker for those power notes, and you smashed it. Well done.
Oh my God, you've absolutely blown my mind again tonight, Tiana. I'm so over the moon and so proud of how well you've done in that song tonight. You know, well, most of my category only had their songs on Thursday, and you just literally took the bull by the horns. You went there, you asked advice on how do you think I should perform this, how should I come across, and she wanted to tell her story, you know, because she's a humble girl, this is, you know. She can't believe all the feedback she's been getting online about her performances, and, you know, she's taken it in her stride, and she's like, yeah, I feel right now, and come on, guys. She said, like, you know, at the minute, the feedback makes me feel great, you know, and I feel great every time I come on this stage. And, like, you showed all the sass in that performance tonight. You showed the grit that I told you to give us, you know, a little bit of attitude towards us, you know, to match the feel of the song. And you took Up-Tempo Week, babe, and you smashed it straight on the head. So well done, girl.
Give it up for the incredible, Delicious D!
Everybody put your hands
All the girls are said it was a man, yeah. All they ever needed was a plan. Tell JK that I'm still rolling, yeah. So what's in my back, what's in my stop gang, yeah. Ain't nobody listen with the gang. Might take a fly out on the weekend, yeah. Don't count the flag, go, people hit the solo. Had a couple weeks, had a couple more balls. Just past that, I was in the man there in the polo. Checking up the man there in the polo. I can make 100 on the polo. I say short, you know how it goes. All the girls at 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and everybody jump. Everybody jump. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. Let's switch it up. Let's switch it up. Talent Search Company, are we ready to get some original music from Delicious D? Okay. I fell in love in the night time. Didn't take much from the night time. Me too, coming on the head. About day, I know, before we shine. Hands in the back of my head. All the things I do that. Look the stars, they do shine. If you tell them it's in the beat, you know what? Cool things on the rewind. We hit the street, we go out now. We look the street, and now we are back. We did it, we wow, we are back. Shout from the top of the street, you know what? We keep the way into my feet. I'm always killing the beat. Don't keep that. So high. If you can't run, so we can feel the back of the beat. Learn just because I don't give up. So you know when I'm in the vicinity of that. With doors, crashing the referees. Doors will into the energy. I'm doing doors and I'm doing it. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it back. Let's do it back.
That was absolutely incredible. There is not a word I can use to describe how good that was. In the beginning, I was a little bit confused. It sounded like feedback. I don't know if it was like a bass or something. And I was like, oh no, I don't know where he's going with this. I don't think I'm going to like it. And all along, you knew exactly what you were doing. And of course, you just smashed it out the park. I can't even believe that that track was just made with your voice. I genuinely don't understand it. And I don't understand how that is not a track that we can buy like right now. For me, I'll be honest, that was the performance of the night. That is up-tempo. That is exactly the definition of what we were looking for tonight. And you embodied that in every way, shape and form. I'll be honest, I don't know how I feel about the hat. I don't know how I feel about it. It's so random, but it works. It works so well. And I loved, going on to the vocals. You hit notes in there that I didn't even know you could do. I didn't know you could even get that high. So honestly, there's nothing else I can say. It was absolutely unbelievable. Well done.
Delicious D. Mate, every time I know you're coming, I get so giddy with excitement. You bring that out of me like I'm a child. You honestly do. I said it the first time I saw you. I'm jumping up and down like a child, and I always am every time I see you. Honestly, you smashed it. Like Lily said at the start, when I heard that kind of the almost like the feedback sound, I thought to myself, oh, is that meant to happen? But you are the true definition of trust the process. Because once it kicked in, mate, boom, my mind splattered all over the crowd behind me. Honestly, the energy you brought. Now you don't have the guitar, like you said, you kind of hide behind the guitar a little bit. You were just there, boom, boom, boom. And you had, to make all of that with your voice just it's nuts. I'm honestly, I'm tongue-tied. I'm speechless. I've got the notes in front of me and I'm struggling to read them. It was that good. Your rapping is always on point. I felt like I was at a club having a dance and listening to the DJ playing. Honestly, mate, it's a thing of, is there ever an end to what you can do? Because you continuously bring something new every single week. And mate, honestly, and also, like Lily said about the changing in the voice, I'm not sure if it was a voice modulator you were using or was that your actual voice? Voice modulator, I thought it was, because I got one at home. Yeah, to add the voice modulators in it to give it that difference as well, mate. Again, like Lily said, that's the performance of the night for me. That was amazing. Smashed it.
Oh my God, I'm absolutely mind blown by that. You said tonight, I'm going to have a go. I'm going to bring it. I hope you like it. And you brought it. You brought the house down. I was like in my Ibiza Rocks kind of vibe. I was like, come on, let's go. You're a musical genius, and I want to know where it comes from. Because to be able to just stand there in front of not just us, but like a whole room and create a track there and then there, because it's not like you've pre-recorded it and flicked it on. Like, do you know what I mean? You've made that live to our eye, which is a lot harder than what people think. There's a lot of people who can go but they can't make a track out of it. Do you know what I mean? And you need to give yourself more credit where credit is due. You're a fantastic artist. You're a fantastic performer. I love your style all in general. I love the hat, mine. So I'm totally going to find out with us from him. If it's one of your merch, then I'll have to wait till the end, but I love it. But honestly, I feel like I need to say this to you right now because you have got absolute star quality when it comes to your act and you deserve everything you get. So congratulations on smashing up Tempo Week, buddy.
Blinking on the vodka. I genuinely thought I was dying, and I could see that smile you were hiding. Last night I told ya I need ya. That's the last time I drink tequila. Super lemon and his sidekick sulking. I start crying and verbally assaulting. Last night I asked you to marry me. That's when I remembered the brandy. I wake up and claim I didn't say it. Screwed if I ever wake up in Vegas. Wish I could stop and I'm not joking. Drinking too much and so she's smoking. Wish I could stop and start to behave and then wake up in the morning and never miss a day again. Last night police had to frisk me in the South and the Bell's Fine whiskey. Whoops! I think they said too much, like, do you like my bracelets? Oh wait, they're handcuffs. Last night I said I want your babies. Forget the ice, it's not nice to drink Baileys. I drank that, I forget every embarrassing thing I say next. I said I got a 1 knee and there's no way unless I've been drinking. Oh wait, rosé, Sailor's Journey's rum, I think I drink a ship full. Please, please, someone provide me a disc bro. Last night I called you a loser. I think that was at the Flaming Sambuca. Fell off your favor, and that's when I fell off the pavement. Wish I could stop, and I'm not joking. Drinking too much, and so she's smoking. Wish I could stop, start to behave, and then wake up in the morning and never miss a day again. Cause I'd love to learn when to shut my mouth. Wake up in the morning and be in my own house. I know when to stop. No one doing the race, never doing the robo. Know when to leave and when to lock my front door. Stop waking up in trees and in a bed full of people. Sitting in a cupboard with my weird best friend. But I'm only young, so I'm not gonna pretend. I wish I could stop, cause I'm not joking. I've been drinking too much and so she's smoking. I don't really wanna learn to behave, amen. But I just miss another day again.
You've done it. I'm so proud of you, and I'll tell you why. I know that this was way out of your comfort zone. You don't do up tempo. You're much more of a soulful singer. You sing things that come from your heart, and you do that very, very well. This was completely different to anything that I would have ever expected you to do, what you probably ever expected you would do. And you learned it in 2 days. We sat in the studio for 2.5 hours trying to pick a song 2 days ago. And not only did you do that, but have you heard how many words are in that song? So well done, because that's really, really hard to do. And I couldn't see nerves tonight. Like, this is coming from now a girl who was shaking to the point of wanting to cry on the first audition. And you looked so comfortable up there, and you looked like you were enjoying it, whether you were or not. You looked like you were enjoying it, and that made me enjoy it. So well done. That was a really good performance.
Kirsten, a massive well done to you for starters for learning the song in 2 days. Like I said, there is not it's hard to learn a song in a week, never mind 2 days. So a massive well done to you for putting in the time and the dedication and the effort to do that. That is a really, really good thing to have, that you were able to learn in such a short amount of time. Up-Tempo Week is there for a reason. It's there to bring you out of your shell and to show you who you are as a performer and to give that energy. And I felt like you did do that this week. You did perform the song. You had good stage presence, and it really brought out Kirsten. It was a great song choice for you as well. It was very, very UK style, and I really liked that. You had a couple of fumbles here and there throughout the song, but you brought it back and you fought with a smile. And that's the greatest thing. You didn't show anybody you had a couple of fumbles. You just thought, who cares? I'm enjoying myself. And I know you guys are going to enjoy it as well. And just keep on going, because that's what it is.
Well done, Kirsten, on taking on Up-Tempo Week and bringing something really different and quirky to the night. I felt that there was a great song choice for you. If only you had a bit more time, you would have made it 100% perfect. But I felt you did it justice, and you give it everything in there. You know, even looking at us at one point and like pointing at us, giving us a little bit of toad. I loved it. I think you've done fantastic with picking different song choices, because every week so far you've picked something completely different to show us. You know, you've gone from Control, which was a bit stripped back, kind of like ballady, to a little bit of a country twist. And now you're taking on this classic by Lucy Spraggan, you know, and it's not an easy song to sing, and it takes a lot of breath control. And I felt, considering it takes a lot of breath control, you did a really fantastic job. So well done, babe.
Now ending the night is Alexander!
Don't tell me not to live, just sit there. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'll march my band out, I'll beat my drum. And if I'm found out, your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether I'm the rose of sheer perfection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, a cinder or the shiny apple of this eye. I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir. All life is juicy, juicy, and you see I gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clack. Eye on the target and whack. One shot, one gunshot, and bang! Hey, Mr. Ronstein, here I Dance didn't make it, get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I'm simply gonna march my heart to drum and nobody, no, nobody is gonna rain on my
Alex, what a way to close the show tonight. You really did bring it at Uptempo Week. I love the outfit. You are a true showman. And I stick to my comment last week. You belong on a stage. I can see you in Broadway, and I absolutely love it. Vocally, you were incredible tonight. I think the song choice really challenged you. And vocally, I think it was probably the most you've ever pushed that we've seen. And I love that you built the bridge and, you know, it ended with that big bang. And I loved that you were able to just control your breath, because that's a really fast song, especially towards the end. And you did that really, really well. So you should be really proud of yourself, because like I said at the beginning in my comments, you have really closed the show with a bang tonight. Well done.
Wow, Alex. That was like the grand finale to the whole night. It was really, really good. I thoroughly enjoyed that performance. I love the outfit that you're wearing. It looks absolutely spectacular. It fits the part of the song so well. You look and sound and perform like a little showman. And I've said it before, and you do, mate. You are so good at what you do at performing, and you really do give everything into your performances. I was a little bit worried when I found out what song you were singing, because I have heard it an awful lot before, but you absolutely smashed it, and that was the favourite I have ever heard anybody sing that song for myself. Honestly, it was really good. To sing it in the original key as well, it was in the original key, wasn't it? To sing it in the original key is so impressive, and mate, honestly, it was absolutely awesome. It was awesome. You finished with a bang, and mate, honestly, I gotta commend you. It was faultless. It was really good.
Wow, Alex, well done on smashing that song and closing our show tonight with a fantastic performance. You always come to rehearsals with songs and ideas and things that you really want to show about yourself. And this week, we kind of threw the song at you to try out. And, you know, you come in and you were like, I want to do this as an idea. I want to have a go at this. Do you think it's all right if I do this? You know, and I was like, and the one thing I always say to you, and I'll always continue to say to you, is you perform how you want to be seen. Because, my goodness, I would hate to, well, not hate, I'd love to see where you would be in a couple of years' time, because I think you're going to give a lot of musical theatre people a run for their money, and you keep up with the good work, because I just feel that for a musical theatre singer at your age, you're absolutely incredible. And I'd take my hat off to you. So well done, Kelly.
The first person going through to the top 10 and into the final theme is Donna. Next going through, again in no particular order, is Delicious Tea. Alex. Going through to the final 10 is Chelsea. Tiana. Joining up next week in the final 10 is Ruby. Caitlin. Going through to the final 10 is Melissa.
Tonight has been very, very hard. Every single person up there is talented, and genuinely, I don't want any of you to ever stop what you're doing, because all of you can go so far. My first decision is for Talisha. I think that now is just not your time, that's all. I don't think it's that you can't sing. I think you've done incredibly well to make the top 12. I think tonight you were a little bit shouty, but you've done it incredibly well anyway, and genuinely, it was not an easy decision tonight. My second vote is for Sienna. I'm so sorry, but I feel like I had to think about progression in this competition tonight because everybody was amazing. I couldn't say that anybody deserved to go tonight. So, for me, I was thinking about progression-wise. You've been here before, you've done the process, and for me, I needed something. I expected a lot more. There are other people on that stage who can progress now, whereas I feel like you've had enough opportunity. I'm really sorry.
My first vote is going to be for Talisha. The reason I say this is because I felt the performance today was a little bit, like at least a little bit too big for you. To the point where you push yourself to such an extent, it was a little bit shouty. But you've got such a lovely voice, you've got such a powerful voice. I feel like you just need a little bit more time. You just need a little bit of time to work on it, and you will be so incredible. I promise you. My next vote is going to be for Kirsten. Kirsten, I say this not because you're not incredible what you do, you are, but I just feel that you made more mistakes in your performance tonight than anybody else, but you both are amazing, and everybody on that stage is amazing.
I have to find myself picking at every little thing tonight to make this decision, and my first vote will be going to Talisha tonight. I want to give you credit where credit is due, because it's very difficult to learn a song in a week. My next vote is going towards Sienna. The reason why I voted for you tonight, babe, is because you've been in this process before, and you know who you are as an artist, and I feel that what you've got left to give doesn't need to be within a competition. I feel that you need to be getting yourself out there doing recordings, and I feel that you haven't changed from last season in my view, and this is why I've given you my second vote.
Wow, what a night. Amazing performances all round. Tensions are getting higher and decisions are getting even harder to be made. Please join us next time for the amazing talent being shown every week. Follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And as always, stay safe, keep smiling.
Never lay down, never give up.
Bring on Inspired Art this week.
I am a fighter. I'm a fighter. I'm a survivor. Even if I fall, I'll be up again, 'cause I'm a fighter. I am a fighter.
next week for more of Talent Search Cymru.